As you guys know, Grok AI has now become paid. So there's no need to spend money on it anymore. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you a powerful free AI tools that let you create text-to-video and image-to-video content. Completely free, without spending anything. If you want to start content creation, or take your videos to the next level, then this video is going to be really helpful for you. So make sure you watch till the end. First, we open Chrome and search for Grok AI. The website appears at the top. Open it. Now, in the top corner, you'll see a profile icon. Click on it. Below, there's an option that says, "Don't have an account? Sign up for free." Click that. Here, I am using a temporary email. I'll enter the temp email and click on Send Code. Then go back to the temp mail inbox, and you'll receive a verification code. You can also continue with Google, but I'm using temp mail. Now, as you can see, the code has arrived. Enter this code in the verification field and click Continue. After that, you'll see the Reset Password option. Enter a strong password twice. Now you can see, registration successful. Our account has been created. Here, we initially get 180 credits. But when we click and refresh, we now have 300 credits. These include daily credits that are added automatically. You can also earn more credits daily by posting videos, commenting, and liking. Now, when I refresh again, you can see I have received 300 credits. Next, click on the Create option. Here, you'll see different models like Real Motion 3.1 and 3.1 Turbo. All of these models are completely free to use. I selected 3.1 Turbo. Here, you can add a start frame and an end frame. I added an image in the start frame. Use any image you've generated. After that, simply enter a prompt. You can generate videos in 480p quality. Each video costs only 20 credits to generate. Since you get daily credits and 300 credits on a new account, you can easily create multiple videos. Now, as you can see, the video has been generated. And honestly, the results are really amazing. You can notice there is a watermark on the video. You can replace this by adding your own channel logo, your channel name, or even a subscribe button. Otherwise, you can simply edit the video and crop it to remove the watermark. So this is how you can create image-to-video content using Grok AI. I hope this video was helpful for you.